How you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Loina Mutiga. Karibuni sana. Today I'm in the chicken side and some ducks. Yeah, that is what I want to show you. Hope you will enjoy and learn something with me. I have some maize that I want to feed them, but I'm feeding them for the sake of the vlog. They had already fed in the morning, but I want you to see something. Yeah, stay tuned. So this is what happens when they see someone. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Look at the other one. Because they have seen me carrying something. Are these what we call, what's the name of these? I might even be calling them ducks and they're not ducks. Yeah, with some chicken as well. And once I start feeding them, they'll move from this place and start fighting for the maize. Watch and see. I've thrown some maize. Look how messy they are. Isn't that lovely, guys? The chicken are a bit clean, but these other ones, they're really dirty. That is where they sleep. They have some nice cages over there, as you can see. That's where they sleep. Here, that small bucket that you can see from a distance, that's where we put in their water, their drinking water. And imagine they had fed in the morning. Feed them at times some maize, chicken feed. Basically, this is not a large scale farming. This is just for the home use. I rarely sell these, they're just for keeps. Yeah. Almost done. This will never get full. As you can see, the chicken are eating the maize quite well, but the ducks are struggling. And I don't know even if they are called ducks. Let me know what they are called in English. But in my mother tongue, tunaziita bata. Yeah. For the farmers, it's a nice project for you. It's a nice project that you can do if you're looking forward to the type of project that you can do. That's it. These that are inside the cage are the ones that are currently laying, so I don't open for them. They stay here for quite some time, and after a while I'll let them join the rest of the hens. That's it. And the other cages look like this. I'm trying to focus. But that's how the cages look. Then the other cages look like that. Yeah. We also feed them with some bananas. As you can see, zimeisha. They'll be fed maybe tomorrow. And this is where we put our bananas to ripen when we want them to ripen. Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. Till the next one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, hit that notification bell so that each and every time I'll be uploading, you'll be notified. Bye bye.